Hey guys, well, my friend Mike is coming down the hill on his scooter, big hill I have right here, and well, he's coming in pretty fast. I better hurry up and get over here before he gets hit too fast. So, oh, he's coming in close.
Who are you?
I got him!
Hey.
Jack off the scooter. Oh crap, he's coming in after me. You better not throw that thing. Oh crap, he's coming good. I ditched your scooter. Oh, got him there! Oh! Damn! It's hard here. I'm a fat kid, not a marathon runner. Crap.